We often imagine the origin of human intelligence in the wrong way, as if it began with language, or tools, or some sudden spark of consciousness. But what if it started with something much simpler? A problem? Where will I find enough food tomorrow? In the tropical forest, food is not a gift, it is a puzzle. It is scattered across space. It changes with time. It is often toxic, fibrous, or incomplete. No single food contains everything needed to survive. So primates had to solve a daily optimization problem: what to eat, where to find it, and when it would be available. And those who solved this problem better survived. There are two fundamental ways to deal with this challenge. One is physical: adapt the body, build complex digestive systems, extract energy efficiently from low-quality food. The other is cognitive: adapt behavior, select high-quality food, remember locations, plan movements. Primates chose the second path. They didn't solve the problem in the stomach, they solved it in the mind. Once food becomes something you must search for, remember, and predict, the brain becomes an advantage. Not abstractly, not philosophically, but practically. Where are the fruit trees? When will they be ripe? Which path is shortest? Intelligence begins as a survival tool. As environments changed, forests gave way to more open landscapes. Food became harder to access and less predictable. Early humans responded by pushing the strategy further. They sought higher quality food. They used tools. They cooperated. Food was no longer just found, it was planned, shared, and organized. And this required something new, a deeper model of the world. At this point, something subtle may have changed. The problem was no longer just, where is food? It became when, how much, how far, how often. Time matters. Space matters. Quantity matters. These are the building blocks of abstraction. And perhaps, much later, they became what we now call mathematics. This is not a proven theory. It is a line of reasoning. But it suggests something powerful, that even our most abstract abilities may be rooted in very concrete problems. Maybe intelligence is not a sudden miracle, but a slow process of learning to understand the world well enough not to starve. And everything that came after, language, mathematics, science, may simply be extensions of that same effort. To predict reality just a little bit better.